Chemical control. What job do the hormones do? Hormones are chemical messages that are produced in one part of body and have the effect hormones. What job do the hormones do? Hormones are chemical messages that are produced in one part of the body and have the effect on another part. Hormones which body process on or off as it regulates most of the body activities. The nervous system has helped in this process, giving rapid instructions along nerves. The body's endorphin system uses hormones work much more slowly. The majority of hormones are carried around the bodies in the bloodstream, reaching all the major organs and tissues. How many hormones does the body have? The body has more than 30 different hormones. They are mostly produced in an organ called the endorphin glands. These glands discharge the hormones directly into the bloodstream. Other types of glands pass the secretion through the ducts to the points where are needed. Endorphin glands are found in hand, neck, and torso. The amount of hormone in the body is regulated by the feedback system. This means that once hormones were produced, the body matures, and once they have reached to the required level, their production is switched off again. Sometimes this mechanism does not work properly. And overactive or underactive glands, such as the thorax, can produce illness, which is matter gland. The pituitary gland in the base of the brain is the most important endorphin gland. Although it's very tiny, it produces hormones that regulate the effect of the other glands. The pituitary gland is connected to directly by region by the brain and called the hypothalamus, and so provide the link between the brain and the endorphin system. The pituitary gland produces many important hormones, including the growth hormones, as well as hormones that cause the sex gland to start secreting their own hormones. Which gland control the way the body uses energy? The thyroid gland produces hormones that control the rate at which chemical reactions like place in the body. The gland is in the base of the neck. Thyroxine is one of the hormones produced by the thyroid gland. It spends out the production of the energy from the food you eat. And the underactive thyroid can mean the person becomes slowly and sluggish. Other hormones from the thyroid control the amount of the calcium in the bones. What is diabetes? Diabetes is an illness that is caused when the body does not produce enough insulin. A result is that large amount of glucose build in the blood, and the person have to urinate frequently to get rid of it. At the same time, the loss of fluids makes the person very thirsty. A diabetic person might lose weight because the body breaks down body fat when it cannot get energy from the glucose. Sometimes the insulin shortage can be corrected by drugs, or in the case of severe diabetes, by having regular injection of insulin. What happens when I am frightened? what happens when I am frightened. When you are frightened, hormones help to prepare you to fight on the wrong way. This is a primarily reaction that all human beings still have. It can affect our day-to-day behaviors. A hormone called androgen it's a race from endorenal glands, which are small glands attached to the kidneys. Endorenal radiates the body for instant action. It makes your heart beat faster and you breathe more deeply. The increased blood flow releases energy from the stored through materials, ready to provide power for the muscles to work. Endorphin, vocal and gesture. Endorphin cause the pupil of the eye to open wider, improving vision. Also make the digestive process stop, allowing energy and blood to be channeled to another important area. Blood is a channel away from the skin, so it becomes pale. Tiny muscle in the skin contract, making your hair stand out and causing goosebumps. Which gland helps with the digestion? This pancreas is an important gland that helps to digestion. It also controls the sugar level with the body. The pancreas produces the digestion enzymes that flows into the intestine during the process of digestion. The pancreas also functions as an endorphin gland. The releasing of the hormone insulin into the blood. Insulin helps the body cells to use glucose, which is essential in the production of the energy that powers cells. Which hormone affects growth? The growth hormone, one of the most powerful growth hormones in the body, is produced the pituitary gland. The gland hormones cause growth throughout the childhood and endorphins, and it also affects the way the food substances are used to build new tissues. It stimulates cells under through the entire body and also causes the liver to produce some substances that activate bones and muscle growth. The growth hormone is produced in different amounts during the adolescence, which is why children have the cells growth spurt. While they grow very rapidly in adults, the growth hormone acts mainly to maintain the repair tissues.